Starting a tow truck business with the goal of reaching $1 million in monthly revenue is a challenging but achievable endeavor if approached strategically. Success requires thorough planning, financial acumen, operational excellence, and a strong customer service focus. Below, we'll break down the steps to build and scale a tow truck business to reach this revenue milestone. 1. Understand the industry market research. Before launching your business, conduct in-depth research into the towing industry. Understand the market demand in your target area, identify your competitors, and assess the services they provide. Look into roadside assistance, flat tires, battery jump starts, and lockout services. Towing types: emergency towing, long-distance towing, and heavy-duty towing. Commercial contracts: partnering with auto repair shops, dealerships, and law enforcement agencies. Target audience: define your target market. A $1 month revenue goal requires servicing high-value customers, such as insurance companies and roadside assistance providers. Commercial fleets, municipal contracts, e.g., towing for law enforcement or city impound lots. 2. Develop a solid business plan. A clear business plan is essential. It should include executive summary, brief overview of your business goals. Market analysis: detailed research about your target market and competition. Service offerings: comprehensive list of services your business will provide. Financial plan: revenue projections, profit margins, and initial investment requirements. Set revenue goals. To achieve $1 in monthly revenue, identify key revenue streams, e.g., emergency towing, contracts, and private customers. Estimate the average ticket size for each service. Calculate the number of jobs required monthly to hit the target. 3. Legal and administrative setup. Choose a business structure. Select the appropriate legal structure, such as an LLC or corporation, to protect your personal assets and ensure tax efficiency. Licenses and permits. Towing businesses require specific licenses and permits, including tow truck operator licenses, business operating licenses, permits for vehicle storage facilities if applicable, insurance secure adequate insurance coverage for vehicles, drivers and employees, liability for damages during towing. 4. Build your fleet. Types of tow trucks. Invest in a versatile fleet to handle diverse customer needs. Light-duty trucks for passenger vehicles and roadside assistance. Medium-duty trucks for larger vehicles like vans and SUVs. Heavy-duty trucks for commercial trucks, buses, and machinery. Acquisition strategy. To minimize upfront costs, consider leasing vehicles to reduce capital expenditure, purchasing used trucks in good condition, partnering with financial institutions for business loans. 5. Hire and train staff recruit. Qualified drivers. Hire experienced tow truck operators with clean driving records. Conduct background checks and verify certifications. Customer service training. Your team should be trained to handle stressful situations with professionalism. Exceptional customer service builds trust and loyalty. Operational training. Train drivers on proper towing techniques, safety protocols, use of GPS and dispatch systems. 6. Implement technology and systems dispatch software. Invest in advanced dispatching software to optimize road efficiency, reduce fuel costs, and improve response times. Fleet management tools. Monitor vehicle performance, track driver behavior, and schedule maintenance using fleet management systems. Payment processing offer. Multiple payment options, including credit cards, mobile payment apps, and invoicing for corporate clients. 7. Build a strong brand. Create a memorable name and logo. Your business name and logo should convey reliability and professionalism. Ensure they stand out in a competitive market. Online presence. Develop a professional website, showcasing your services, service areas, and contact information. Optimize your site for search engines, SEO, to attract organic traffic. Reputation management. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and social media. Address negative feedback promptly to maintain a positive reputation. 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Digital marketing, SEO, and content marketing. Publish helpful articles about roadside assistance and towing. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Use Google Ads and social media ads to target local customers. Social media, share testimonials, photos, and promotions to build your brand. Partnerships. Collaborate with auto repair shops and dealerships, insurance companies, property management firms for towing illegally parked vehicles. Local outreach sponsor local events or charities. Distribute flyers and business cards at auto-related businesses. 9. Focus on customer retention. Build relationships. Offer loyalty discounts or incentives for repeat customers and corporate clients. Provide value-added services. Differentiate your business by offering extras like free vehicle storage for a limited time or discounted repairs through partner garages. 24/7 availability. Being available around the clock is critical for emergency services, a high-demand revenue stream. 10. Scale the business. Expand services. As your business grows, consider adding vehicle storage, auctioning unclaimed vehicles, heavy-duty recovery services for accidents involving large vehicles, franchise or multi-location expansion. Once you establish a strong brand and operational efficiency, explore franchising or opening additional locations in neighboring cities. Optimize operations, leverage data analytics to track performance metrics, identify inefficiencies, and improve profitability. 11. Financial management. Track expenses. Regularly review operational costs, including fuel, maintenance, and insurance, to maximize profit margins. Reinvest. Profits. Use initial profits to expand your fleet, hire additional staff, and enhance marketing efforts. Diversify revenue streams. Relying solely on individual towing jobs may limit growth. Secure steady income through contracts and partnerships. 12. Monitor and adapt. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Gather feedback. Regularly seek feedback from customers and employees to identify areas for improvement. Adjust strategies. Adapt your marketing, operations, and services based on market demands and performance data. Case study, scaling to $1 month. Scenario, XYZ Towing Co. Initial setup, $500,000 investment in 10 tow trucks. Target audience, commercial clients and municipal contracts. Key strategies, secured contracts with 3 major insurance companies for roadside assistance, partnered with a city to handle impounded vehicles, launched a digital marketing campaign targeting long-distance towing customers. Result, monthly revenue breakdown, insurance contracts, $400,000, municipal contracts, $300,000, individual customers, $300,000. By focusing on high-value contracts and operational efficiency, XYZ Towing Co. scaled its operations to reach $1 in monthly revenue within 3 years. Building a $1 month tow truck business is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of strategic planning, relentless execution, and adaptability. By focusing on high-demand services, leveraging technology, and prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can establish a profitable and scalable operation. With perseverance and a commitment to excellence, your towing business can become a leader in the industry. 13. Build a resilient business model. Achieving $1 in monthly revenue requires more than just expanding operations. It demands creating a resilient business model capable of weathering challenges like economic downturns, competition, and industry disruptions. Diversify your client base. To safeguard against revenue fluctuations, avoid relying too heavily on a single source of income, such as one large contract or a particular type of towing service. Diversify by partnering with a mix of small and large clients, offering services in urban, suburban, and rural areas, expanding beyond towing into related fields like vehicle auctions or equipment transport. Manage seasonal demand. The towing industry often experiences seasonal peaks, such as during winter storms or summer travel seasons. Prepare for these fluctuations by increasing staffing during peak times, creating promotional offers during slower seasons to attract more customers, mitigate risks, invest in advanced safety and security measures for both your drivers and customer vehicles. Maintain a financial buffer to handle unexpected expenses like repairs, lawsuits, or economic slowdowns. 13. Leverage social media for sponsorships. If you have a strong presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can use your influence to promote Spotify content in exchange for sponsorship deals. How it works: post Spotify links, share your favorite playlists or songs with your followers. Collaborate with brands. Partner with music-related companies to create sponsored content. Create engaging content, make reels, TikToks, or short videos showcasing how you use Spotify in your daily life. Pro tip: focus on building a niche audience, such as fans of a particular genre or lifestyle, to attract relevant sponsorships. Earnings potential: micro-influencers can earn between $50 and $500 per sponsored post, depending on their audience size and engagement rate. 14. Become a Spotify analytics expert. Artists and labels often need insights into how their music is performing on Spotify. If you have a background in data analysis, you can offer consulting services to help them interpret Spotify for artists' metrics. Key metrics to analyze: listener demographics, track performance, e.g., skips, streams, and saves, playlist placement impact. Tools and skills needed: familiarity with Spotify for artists and other music analytics tools, ability to present data-driven recommendations, earnings. Potential: analytics consultants can charge $20 to $100 per hour, making this a lucrative option for those with the right expertise. 14. Leverage networking and industry partnerships. Establishing strong connections within the towing and automotive industries can open doors to new revenue streams and growth opportunities. Join professional organizations. Become a member of associations like the Towing and Recovery Association of America, TRAA. Membership can provide access to valuable resources, industry insights, and networking events. Collaborate with complementary businesses. Forge partnerships with auto body shops, mechanics, car rental agencies, and insurance companies. These relationships can lead to steady referrals and exclusive contracts. Work with municipalities and government agencies. Submit bids for city or state contracts to handle services such as impound towing or accident recovery. These contracts can provide long-term, stable revenue. 15. Focus on scaling profit margins. While increasing revenue is essential, scaling profit margins is equally critical to sustaining long-term growth. A towing business with high operational costs and low margins may struggle to reinvest in expansion, optimize fleet utilization. Ensure each tow truck is consistently utilized by reducing downtime through efficient scheduling, using data analytics to predict demand patterns, minimize fuel costs. Equip trucks with GPS routing software to reduce fuel consumption. Consider transitioning to fuel-efficient or electric tow trucks as technology advances. Automate administrative tasks. Streamline back-office operations like billing, payroll, and customer service through automation software to reduce labor costs. 16. Invest in customer relationships. Strong relationships with your clients and customers are the cornerstone of any successful business. Focusing on customer satisfaction can lead to repeat business and valuable word-of-mouth referrals. Establish a customer loyalty program. Reward repeat customers, especially those in high-demand segments like fleet services or insurance companies. Offer discounts or free services after a certain number of tows. Provide real-time updates. Use technology to give customers live updates on the location of their tow truck and estimated arrival times. Transparency builds trust and reduces frustration. Solicit reviews and testimonials. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews online and share their experiences. A strong online reputation can significantly boost your credibility and attract new business. 17. Create a high-performance culture. Your team is the backbone of your towing business. Building a motivated and skilled workforce ensures operational excellence and sets your business apart from the competition. Offer competitive pay and benefits. Attract top talent by providing above-average wages. Benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans. Provide career development opportunities. Invest in your employees' growth by offering training programs on advanced towing techniques and customer service. Opportunities for promotion within the company. Foster a positive work environment. Recognize and reward exceptional performance. Maintain open communication to address employee concerns and ideas. 18. Expand regionally or nationally. Scaling your operations geographically is a key step in achieving $1 million in revenue. Expanding into new regions increases your market share and positions your brand as a major industry player. Evaluate market potential research new areas to identify underserved markets or regions with high demand for towing services. Open satellite locations. Establish new branches in strategic locations to reduce response times and serve more customers. Franchise your business model. If your operations are successful and replicable, consider franchising. This allows others to invest in your brand and grow the business in additional locations, while you benefit from franchise fees and royalties. 19. Embrace innovation and future trends. The towing industry, like any other, is evolving with advancements in technology and changing customer expectations. Staying ahead of these trends can give you a competitive edge. Electric and autonomous vehicles. Prepare for the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, by training your team to handle EV-specific towing challenges. Monitor developments in autonomous vehicles and their impact on the industry. Eco-friendly practices. Adopt environmentally friendly practices, such as using biodiesel or electric tow trucks, to appeal to eco-conscious customers. Mobile apps. Develop a mobile app for easy booking, real-time updates, and customer support. Apps can improve customer experience and streamline operations. 20. Measure success and continuously improve. Reaching $1 million a month in revenue is a significant milestone, but sustaining and growing that success requires constant evaluation and improvement. Track key performance indicators, KPIs. Monitor metrics such as revenue per truck, average response time, customer satisfaction scores. Regularly audit finances, conduct financial audits to ensure profitability, and identify areas for cost reduction. Encourage innovation. Empower your team to suggest process improvements or new service ideas that can drive growth. Building a $1 million a month tow truck business is a multifaceted process that requires strategic planning, operational efficiency, and a relentless focus on customer satisfaction. From selecting the right fleet and technology to cultivating strong industry partnerships and scaling operations, every step plays a crucial role in achieving this ambitious goal. With hard work, adaptability, and a commitment to excellence, your tow truck business can grow into a powerhouse in the industry, providing reliable services to customers while generating substantial profits. Please subscribe and hit the like button.